As we wrap up our week-long celebration of the royal wedding, we couldn't be more excited for Prince Harry and the new Duchess Meghan Markle. Although it's traditional for an English wedding cake to be fruitcake, Prince Harry and Meghan have decided to go with a lemon elderflower cake. We couldn't get the secret recipe from Claire at the Violet Bakery, so we came up with one of our own. We start by making a basic lemon cake, which we add some sour cream to. That'll make it extra moist. And since we want our cake to pop with freshness, we add in the zest of a lemon. Once the batter is smooth, we pour it into a couple of cake pans before baking it off. While this bakes, we make a white buttercream frosting to finish it off. After it's cooled, you can sprinkle the cake with elderflower liqueur if you'd like, before spreading some lemon curd between the layers and frosting it. Of course, the actual royal wedding cake will most likely be tiered, but we think ours is just the right size. Maybe a few fresh flowers on top, and it's ready to feed that someone special. To get the recipe for our lemon wedding cake, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a sweet and romantic way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."